Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to fix I can't log into my account. Now if you cannot log into your Iqiyi account, this is how to fix. I'm going to give you 4 ways to fix it. Now the first one is that it means that maybe you've forgotten your password or you're having a password error. So click on retrieve password on the login page and try to log in again after you change your password. Second reason is that maybe you forgot your account login ID. So what you do is that it's recommended that you submit feedback in the app, and one of the customer service staff will assist you by email. Then if you're having network error, what you do is that try to log in again after maintaining a stable network connection. Lastly, if you have a responsive login page, just check that there is no function of the browser that is disabled, then clear the browser cache and restart the browser and try again. As simple as that.